Hey there, QuickBooks enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features in QuickBooks Online to make your accounting life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to print remittance advice in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you're handling payments, invoices, or vendor transactions, this feature helps you generate a clear document that details payment specifics, ensuring everything is transparent and organized. It's a game changer for small businesses and accountants alike, saving you time and reducing errors. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the Vendors tab in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage your bills and payments. Look for the specific vendor or bill you want to work with. Select the transaction, and then click on the History or Transaction Details to view more options. Now, here's the key step. In the Transaction Details page, scroll down until you see the Remittance Advice option. This might be under a sub-menu like More Actions, or directly available depending on your QuickBooks version. Click on it to generate the remittance advice document. QuickBooks will pull in all the relevant info, like the payment amount, date, and what it's for. Once the document is displayed, double-check everything for accuracy. It's always good to review before printing. Then, hit the Print button at the top or bottom of the page. You can choose to print it directly or save it as a PDF for your records. If you're using the 2025 updates, QuickBooks might offer enhanced customization, like adding your company logo or selecting paper size, so explore those if needed. And just like that, you're done. Printing remittance advice is straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, if you run into any issues, QuickBooks has built-in help resources or you can reach out to their support. This tip can really streamline your workflow, so give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.